Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the packaging and accessories to catch obvious fakes quickly. Open the box and compare logos, typeface, and accessory build. Counterfeit items often have mismatched fonts or flimsy materials. Once done, note the serial printed on the box and the headphones. Make sure they match and enter it into Apple's coverage checker or settings general about. This verifies manufacturer data and warranty status, which is the fastest reliable signal that your AirPods Max are genuine. Now you verify hardware and software behavior to confirm authenticity. Inspect the mesh, hinge polish, and how the headband expands. Genuine units have precise machining and consistent weight. Then test controls. Press the digital crown for crisp detents and try noise control. Counterfeits often feel loose or unresponsive. After that, pair to your iPhone and check the device name, firmware version, and features like spatial audio and automatic switching. Mismatched software features are a clear indicator of non-genuine hardware. Finally, run thorough functional tests and address problems methodically. Measure Bluetooth stability, active noise canceling performance, and microphone clarity, because counterfeit units usually fail in long-term connectivity or ANC fidelity. If you can, compare sound to a verified genuine pair or known reference to spot tonal differences. If something's off, reset the AirPods Max, update firmware, and try pairing again. Make sure to document the serial and purchase proof, and contact Apple support if issues persist so they can validate authenticity for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.